All right, Matt and Paige Hunt up in Broken Top on Caius Crater. Matt and Paige have two systems that are currently AC and not heat pump. So they're going to upgrade to heat pumps, replace the furnaces, humidifiers, the whole shebang. Upstairs one is a smaller unit, 2-ton, has a 2-ton AC, both old Lennox systems with the old thick media cleaners on it. Kind of a weird little apparatus here for how they have the bypass humidifier. And then top cans are elbows on both of them. And it feeds right in here. So I don't know if these can be taken off and put a piece of rectangle in there. I don't know what's behind there, like how easy it would be to detach. Got a riser for the return in the back there that runs down behind it. All the way down. So this return can stops right here in the back of the furnace. Probably have some room with the new setup. The ABC is only 41 inches. This one's 45, plus it's a 10-inch filter, so might be able to make a bigger can to where you can mount that the new bypass humidifier directly on it, maybe in the front, as opposed to whatever that Jimmy rig scenario is. 3/4 line set. Downstairs is right next to it. It's an old CB30M. Same setup on the supply. And then the bypass is a little bit better setup on the riser. Riser's 28 deep by 12 wide. You got about 18 inches in between these two, so probably looking at brand new can and transition for the filter. They are upflows, both of them, as you can see, and does have a hub drain, obviously that big PVC spaghetti. So everything in here as far as furnaces and humidifiers is getting replaced. This is in a little basement area. You got this humongous radiant floor set up as well. Does have some combustion air up there.
Hey, you're not gonna believe it. Mike left one of those things yesterday. I just filled it out.
Oh, really?
Yeah, hang on.
Nice. This is 8-wire, I think. It does have a humidistat there above it. Upstairs thermostat. Same thing. It's an 8-wire as well. Electric panels are in the garage. Whew, sorry, a lot of steps. Both GE. I moved the bikes and took pictures of everything in there, so I'm not gonna do it again, but it's a 45 and a 30 for the AC units, and 60-30 for that big ass unit, which is going to be changed, and then the 60 for the smaller one. We are going to have to pull a new circuit for the big furnace because it's only got one 4-gauge copper wire, and then the other one is just a little single strand 10 wire, so that's built into it. It will need a new circuit. AC units, plenty of space for clearances. 4-ton and the 2-ton. 3/4 inch line set, 7/8 line set. This is on the left side, and there's plenty of clearance here. You probably can even get it through there without having to take the door off, but if you need to, it's 42 inches from here to here. Excuse me. Matt and Paige Hunt, 2 system update in Broken Top on Caius Crater, looking at 2.5 days.